is going on, people? This is the money management. Now, I was going to do a live trading session, and actually I did start recording a live trading session. So just to give you guys a brief summary, we're about 20 minutes into the market right now, but unfortunately I cannot trade. So I was actually going to cut this part of the video out and just go back to trading in about an hour or whenever I can trade again. But in this case, I do think I will record this part while I'm waiting for my portfolio to load and kind of just explain to you guys what's going on here, because quite frankly, what's going on here right now is a disgrace. Right now, I, and I'm sure many other people, are being restricted from trading. Now, you guys know the past couple of days, Gamestop has been up, AMC has been up, Blackberry has been up, but crazy amounts. Now, of course, when I want to place trades on Gamestop, AMC, I'm not able to. Unfortunately, added to that, I'm not actually able to trade anything right now on my platform, so nothing. Now, I just want to give you guys a brief summary of what's happening, because like I said, this is disgraceful. And pretty much, you guys saw last week, well, this week as well, I put my $600 stimulus check into something, which was GameStop, and it gave me back a return of almost $10,000. If I'd held it today, it would have been like, I don't know, 20,000 or whatever. Obviously, that's crazy money, and that's not something regular traders should be able to do, or should be able to do. Now, we as regular traders are being restricted from trading right now because pretty much the big boys are manipulating the market. They're not allowing us to trade certain stocks which are getting you crazy returns because it's too easy. So basically, when the big boys are making money easily and swinging the markets and doing what they want and getting all that money, getting all that return, turning thousands to millions, it's okay. When regular traders like me, who never went to Harvard, who never had, a 1.5 million salary per year, who never worked on Wall Street, who never took part in any of those kind of things, who didn't do all of that, someone like me shouldn't be allowed to make money. That's what they think. And it's not only what they think, it's what they've made happen now. So like I said, I'm not sure when I'm going to be able to trade. For sure, I'm going to be able to trade sometime today. It's not possible that I can't trade the rest of the day. But today as a trading day has started off really, really bad because my account is barely moving. It's actually slowly decreasing. And I know that cannot be the case because of some trades I've put in place. I know it cannot be the case. I tried to put in some trades now within the last half an hour. Won't go through. Still right now, same thing's happening. I literally can't do anything. So it's an unfortunate start to the trading day. Now, I'm not sure if I will end up uploading this video or not because I'm just gonna have to come back and see what's going on in like an hour, like I said. And if this just continues, then I probably won't upload this video. But if it goes well, then obviously you're watching it and you see what's happened. But yeah, this just goes to show, be cautious, people, because there are people out here who don't want you to win. When our smaller traders, when us regular traders, people who watch my channel, have also been trading recently, me myself have been trading, making some good money recently. When we are making money, the big boys do not like that. They have to manipulate the markets. They have to start being the only ones to win because, I don't know, because of ego, because of money. I don't know what it is. But this is a warning to you guys. Just be careful because I'm sure there are many people out there who are losing money right now. I think I'm losing money, but I'm not sure. That really shouldn't be the case, but we'll see what happens. But again, hopefully I'll come back in an hour or whenever and my account is better, because this, quite frankly, is just a joke right now. And I'm honestly extremely disappointed. Like, this should not be the case. I should be allowed to trade what I want when I want, I pay my taxes on it. I have signed up to your account. They have my tax ID. I've not done anything wrong. Just because I know how to make money in the market as a regular trader should not mean that because I'm not a big, huge hedge fund or, whatever kind of trader. This shouldn't be the case, honestly. So again, hopefully we get to the good part of the trading day, but right now this is just a joke. AMC, GameStop, I had plans for today, cannot trade them. Other stocks which I also have plans for, at certain price points, cannot even trade them. So I don't know what's going to happen, but we'll come back and see how it goes. Okay, so I've been doing my research on this to find out exactly what's going on, and if it's only my platform that's having these technical issues. It's not. It's eToro, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, Vanguard, Trading 212, and Interactive Brokers. So we are being played here. All of us, it's not just me, which makes me feel slightly better. It's not just Robinhood users. It is all the platforms I just mentioned, all of them, eToro, Trading 212, TD Ameritrade, Vanguard, all the ones I just mentioned. Now, since this is happening, hopefully all the people who are shorting stocks are losing a lot of money right now. I know it doesn't really directly affect me, but hopefully they are losing a lot of money right now. Hopefully all those hedge funds are burning right now because, again, this is ridiculous. I'm just so annoyed by this. It's one of the wildest things I've seen with these stocks going up and up and up. But just because people are pumping stocks doesn't mean that we shouldn't all be allowed to pump stocks. Again, it is what it is right now. We are the underdogs and we have to keep winning. That's all I have to say. All right, people, we are back, and this is more what I wanted to see. So obviously, right now we're up, and I told you I put some trades in place yesterday, and finally after my account stopped glitching, I was able to see this. Actually, someone messaged me to say try your account now, and I tried it, and then I realized I was up heavy. So hopefully this is not a glitch, but I don't think it's a glitch. But just look now, the past day, or at least today right now, we are up crazy. Now this is because the stocks are flying up. You know, I told you guys, the big boys don't want you to win. When the stocks dropped earlier, I placed trades. I wasn't sure if they went through, but you're gonna see now. Some of them did go through, and Lemonade stock is not one that I placed, but it's one that is obviously bringing me the returns today. So that one's going well. I have Virgin Galactic as well. This one is bringing me back stupid returns. This might end up being trade of the year. Who knows? We'll see. I'm sure my Gamestop trade is trade of the year, but who knows? At this rate, my equity is right now to $21,580, and I put in $2,500. This is what the big boys don't like to see. Us smaller traders who know what we're doing. This is what the big boys do not like to see. I can't believe it. I'm up crazy, and it just keeps rising. Now I'm not going to take profits because I put these trades for a longer term. Lemonade, I may take profits today because my call option expires this Friday. But as you can see, I feel much better than an hour and a half ago when the markets were doing that nonsense. And by the way, I do want to just quickly highlight, when trading platforms are doing this is a warning. This shows that it's not a free market. This is not a free market. This is not a fair market at all. So be careful, again, beware, because that, you know, I'm happy right now, but I could have made even more, and I should have made even more, but I'm not being greedy. But I just want to point out, this is not a free market at all. So beware of that, because when us small guys start winning, I will repeat it again, the big guys start to manipulate it. But don't worry, we're going to make them burn. When I keep doing days like this, we're going to make them burn. We're going to make our money. We're going to keep going. But yeah, it's crazy. So these are the options I have in place. Express, I put in an option for 10 contracts. Only one went through, unfortunately, at market open. Unfortunately, I don't know how. Again, these big boys. But yeah, I bought it for $280. We're now sitting at $635. So my money has more than doubled. Literally, $280. Now, like I mentioned, I tried to put 2,800 into it. Didn't go through. Only 280 went into it. But yeah, I got some other core options here. Fuel cells bring me back some nice returns today. It is going well. I can't really complain. I'm sitting now at an equity of $3,240. And I can't really complain. Now quickly, let's just go to Lemonade, because I did say I was gonna maybe sell Lemonade because it expires this Friday. So I'm gonna try and sell it for about $15 per contract, so $1,500. Remember, I put $1,300 into it, so if I get a return today, I'm happy. So I put that in now. It has done well for me today. It has bounced back from the dead, to be honest. But you know what? Because this day is going so well, I'm gonna try something. I think I'm gonna try and come back in about an hour, maybe another hour, or maybe less, and see how it's going. Because right now I'm looking and things are getting pumped. So my thoughts are, let me see how it's going in an hour, because obviously trading day is 7.5 hours, 6.5 hours, whatever it is. Pretty much so much stuff can go on. So in an hour I might be down, in an hour I might be even up more. But I think it'll be good to come back and then see how it's going, because it's been a mixed day so far. You know, we've been down, we've been up, and I want to see what it's like in an hour. And so this might end up being a really long video, but who cares? We'll just see how it goes. Okay, people. So I told you I'd come back in an hour. I decided to come back within 45 minutes. But just check what has been happening over the past hour. This is ridiculous. This is why the big boys do not like us smaller traders trading. Because what I've just done in the last hour should take me a month, maybe a few months to do. As you can see, the past hour we're up just under 12k. There was actually one point we were up around 14k. I don't even know. This day has been crazy in market, and it's just gonna get crazier. But look at what we've done today. 17.7k unrealized. Now you guys are probably there saying, take profits, you know, on these core options. I have Virgin Galactic, which is this might end up being trade of the year. Virgin Galactic might end up being trade of the year because I put in $2,500 into it, and so far it's bringing me back dumb returns. It is, you know, I've 10 times my money, more than 10 times my money, and it's just continuing to shoot up. Now, if you look at it just today, it's up 37%. People don't like this. Big traders don't like this. I put in a call option on Express, like I mentioned to you guys. That is now up to 1025. I put in 280 in it, and now it's sitting at 1020. Again, this is what the big traders don't like. Remember, I tried to put in 2,800, and 280 was the only order that actually got filled. Unfortunately, one contract instead of 10. So I should be up crazy amounts now, but it's fine. This is one that keeps just rising. I got a few other ones here as well. Like I said, fuel cell before, it's just really bringing back the returns today. Big traders don't like this. I'm going to keep saying it because what they've been doing today is a joke. But yeah. Yeah, let's have a look at a couple of these. Express again. Express this today is up 294%. 294%. The stock itself is up. Big traders hate that when we're making money off that. They want to be the only ones to make money off it. And then we've also got these two neo core options which end this Friday, as well as plug. So I'll just show you guys those. I need to cash out of those and make a decision soon. But today, it's just been crazy. I don't even know what to tell you guys. So this is exactly why I wanted to do a live trading session. Honestly, it would have been nice if I could get my monitor up and then do a live actual session with you guys. I just don't know how to set that all up. If you guys do know, please let me know, because I'll be happy to do that. Regarding taking my profits, I'm not doing that yet. And even if I was to do that, I wouldn't tell you guys because I want you guys to see my week 4 recap, my results. I'll tell you guys my honest feeling for the rest of the day. Nothing's going to stay that high. It's not going to keep pumping. I mean, I could technically take out my profits now. But remember when I did that with Gamestop, everyone was like, oh, you should have held for 2 more days. If you'd held blah, blah. Okay, now I'm holding, so let's see what happens. Apart from that, honestly, it's been a mixed day. I don't even know what to think because so many emotions today. I'm going to reiterate it. Big traders do not want us to win. They don't want us to win. We got to do our best to keep winning, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm not going to let them stop me. The same plays they're making, the same plays I'm going to make. You know, I'm limited now, I'm restricted from trading certain stocks, which is a shame, which is annoying. But there's plenty of other stocks there, as you saw, which can bring me back returns, and I'm happy with that. As always, make sure you guys drop that thumbs up if you guys did enjoy the video. Please do drop the thumbs up. It does take a lot of time to make these videos. It also takes a lot of money to make returns like this, and it takes a lot of guts, to be honest. So hopefully you guys do enjoy this video. Also make sure to share these videos with your friends, comment in the comment section as always, and also subscribe, hit that red button below, beautiful red button. If you guys do want to see more videos like this, then please let me know. Apart from that, I think I'm going to upload this tomorrow, which is Thursday, so make sure you guys check out yesterday's video, which was the video about how you can retire early. Make sure you guys are back here within the next couple of days, next few days, for the video about my week 4 results. Obviously, it's going to be a very interesting one. Apart from that, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. That's it from me. I've got a lot of money to be making. I've got stocks to be chasing. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.